Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cytoid level. First, you'll need to understand the core elements that make up a level, such as the chart, music, and background. Begin by gathering your chosen music track and any visual assets you plan to use. Then, open the Cytoid level editor and take a moment to explore its layout and various tools. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth creation process. Now, let's dive into charting, which is placing notes to match your music. Start by listening carefully to your track and placing basic tap notes on the beat. Experiment with different note types, like hold notes and flick notes, to create engaging patterns. Precision is key here, so use the timing adjustments and speed modifiers within the editor to ensure every note aligns perfectly with the audio. Practice makes perfect. Beyond the notes, visuals play a huge role in a great cytoid level. Import your chosen background images or videos to create an immersive atmosphere. The editor offers various visual effects and modifiers that can add dynamic flair to your level, like screen shakes or color changes. Always make sure these visual elements enhance, rather than distract from, the music and the chart. A cohesive experience is the goal. After creating your level, extensive testing is essential. Play through your chart multiple times to catch any timing errors, awkward note placements, or visual glitches. Get feedback from others if possible. Once you're satisfied, export your level and share it with the Cytoid community for everyone to enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy charting, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.